Hello and welcome to my video presentation. Today, I want us to talk about freelancing. This is Dr. Kibet. So what is freelancing? Freelancing is a contract-based profession where instead of being recruited in an organization, the person uses his skill or her skills and experience to provide services to a number of clients. In simple terms, freelancing is when you use your skills, education, and experience to work with multiple clients and take on various assignments without committing to a single employer. The number of assignments or tasks that you can take just boils down to your ability to deliver on them as asked from them. Freelancing usually involves jobs, also called gigs, that allow you to work from home situations. But don't associate freelancing as the same as having a work from home job. Freelancing doesn't always mean that you will work from home. You might have to work at your client's offices, depending upon the type of work and the client's requirements. A work from home job involves a contract between you and a single employer who gives you a salary, while freelancing doesn't. It is just that many of the jobs that freelancers perform can be delivered over the internet without their presence at the company or client's place. Now, in this section, lastly, I want us to look at a freelancer. Who is a freelancer? A freelancer or freelance worker is a self-employed person who earns money by providing services to multiple clients. These services relate to the person's skill and are not necessarily provided to just businesses. Freelancers either use third-party platforms like Fiverr, 99 Designs, etc. to get business, or use their network to get more business and provide services to their clients directly. That is the end of my brief video presentation where we were able to explain what freelancing means. Thank you.